First, if your heat press does not have a heating function on the upper and lower bottom plates, you need to preheat the bottom plate in advance, about 20 seconds. Next, lay the fabric flat and preheat it for 10 seconds. Now we tear off the film. Lay it flat on the clothes. And then take a piece of cloth and rub it gently. If there is a hollow area in the pattern, we need to rub the hollow area vigorously with our fingertips. Now we can tear it off. Put on the waist film. Please note that the mat area is facing inwards. Now press for 10 seconds. In order to increase its firmness, it is best to press for another 10 seconds.